Yeah, it's on. It's good.
Let's go find the basket.
I'm telling myself, stop making noise. Stop making noise. I can't stop making noise. It smells like bacon. I remember doing this last year. I had a different outfit. Ugh. Ugh. Is there an Emily and a Carson here?
Yeah. Hi. No. Hi. We were just opening all your stuff. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for all of our things.
The Easter Bunny wants to say hi. She heard that you're amazing kids.
Happy Easter. Can I have a hug? Happy Easter. Happy Easter. What's your name?
This is my assistant.
My name is Delaney.
She has her own video.
Delaney.
YouTube, Delaney.
Oh.
She wants a picture.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Easter Bunny speaks really good language.
Do you want to take a picture?
You want to take a picture with brother?
No.
What's your...
Good job.
I gotta get my phone and take a picture of the Easter Bunny.
Come on up.
Good job. What if Mommy I love your dress. So
Thank
Where's
you.
your phone, Daniel?
Okay, Carson, get over there. Get over there.
Yeah.
And yay! Happy Easter!
Have fun.
Happy Easter.
On your Easter run.
Thank you.
Say thank you, Easter.
I'm gonna get a picture on my phone with the Easter Bunny.
Okay.
One more.
Okay, and a helper. Okay, here we go.
Happy Easter.
Yay!
Emily, Emily, look at Daddy. Happy Easter.
Oh, happy Easter!
Got it.
All right.
Bye,
Thank you,
Easter
Easter
Bunny.
Bunny.
Happy Easter!